Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. I'm going to be showing you guys how I do these cute wine nails and the tortoise nail design, which I am so obsessed with. So if you guys are interested, then definitely keep on watching. I am going to go in depth with the nail prep, cuticle prep, and the application of the gel extensions. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more content, and without further ado, let's get started. So I'm going to be starting with the cuticle prep. So I'm going to be softening my cuticles here with the Sally Hansen cuticle remover, and I'm gonna be taking a cuticle pusher and pushing back my cuticles, but at the same time I'm also gonna be scraping off any dead skin that will be on the nail plate. And just take your time doing this. Now I'm taking a cuticle cleaner there and I'm taking off the cuticle here. This should be a very painless procedure. Sorry, not a procedure, but it should be very, very painless. And it shouldn't hurt. So just go slow with this. And this is what I use. You can also use a cuticle nipper if you like. Then I'm taking that cuticle pusher back again, and I'm going to be scraping off any excess dead skin that I feel like I may have not gotten off the first time. It's really important that we have no dead skin on the nail plate, because that can create lifting and your gel nails won't last as long. Then I'm taking a lint-free wipe pad here and some alcohol, and I'm gonna just be wiping my nails free of dust or any dead skin. Then I'm taking my e-file here and I'm using the flame bit, and I'm just gonna be cleaning up my cuticles a little bit more and just taking my time with that. I'm also going to be cleaning up any dead skin that I might see on the nail plate that's by my cuticle area. Every product I use will be linked down below for you guys. I just sped this up, that way it's just not so boring. I'm taking my white pad again and just wiping off any dust. Now you can see my nails are ready to go. They're nicely prepped. Now I'm taking a nail buffer here and I'm buffing out the nails. This is going to create a nice rough surface, better for gel nail adhesion. You can also use an e-file for this part, but I just like to use my buffer block. I find it a lot faster. Now I'm going to be measuring my nails. I'm using the Apres nails in the shape medium almond. And just make sure they fit you perfectly from sidewall to sidewall. And then I'm going to be taking my e-file again and a sanding band, and I'm going to be etching the inside surface of the nails. This is going to make the surface more rough, which will allow for better adhesion and better retention with the nails. I think it makes such a huge difference. Now I'm going to be taking my nail dehydrator by Model 1s, and I'm applying that onto all of the nails, getting rid of all of the oils. And then I'm taking my nail primer, also by Model 1s, and I'm going to carefully apply that onto all of the nails. The nail primer is a very sticky surface, so I feel like it just makes all of the difference as well. Now I'm taking the Beetles nail glue that's curable, and I'm applying that onto my nails there. And I'm going to cure afterwards for 30 to 60 seconds. Make sure you don't get any on your skin. If you do, you can just go ahead and remove it. Now I'm taking the peel off base coat. You can use a nail glue though if you like. and I'm going to be applying that onto my nails there and letting that glue travel up to the nail. Then I'm going to flash cure that for about 10 seconds or so. So once again, if you want these to last really long, just make sure you do use a curable nail glue. And as you can see, I apply a little bit of a blob there at the end, and I'm applying at a 45-degree angle, so I'm not applying straight, and then I'm gonna cure. And I'm just gonna let you guys watch how I do that for the rest of the nails. Once you're done doing that, I'm gonna cure my whole hand for 60 seconds, make sure they're fully secured, and then I'm gonna be sealing the cuticle. So now I'm taking a sanding band and I'm going to seal the cuticle part of the nail. And this is just going to blend the fake nail with the natural nail. And then I'm going to be buffing out my nails to get rid of the shine and prepare them for the gel colors. Then I'm also going to be sealing the cuticle again, this time using acetone and a flat brush. This is my favorite part. It just makes everything look so seamless, but you're just going to take a flat brush and some acetone and seal the cuticle. So this is going to melt the plastic with the natural nail and make it look a lot more natural. And now we're ready. So I'm gonna start with the tortoise design. I didn't have a jelly nude, so I went in with a clear color gel and then a light brown, and I mixed it up until I got the consistency that I liked. You can even add more clear gel if you need to get that really light nude color. So I'm just applying that with a flat brush, and I'm going to do 2 coats of that, curing in between each coat. Then for the other nails, so for my middle finger, I'm going to be using this deep wine red. It's so pretty. It's by Beetles. I'm going to be applying that and also doing 2 coats. And I'm just going to be applying that red color on my thumb and also my pinky. Then I'm doing a second coat. So as you can see, I went back again with that jelly color and I'm doing a second coat there on all of the nails actually. And we're just gonna cure, when I cure about 60 seconds in between each coat. Now for the index finger, I'm going to be taking this sheer pink shade and I'm also going to do 2 coats. And I think for this finger, I was going for a tip. So I'm going to do like a French tip on that nail. So now for the tortoise design, I'm taking blooming gel and I'm going to apply a nice thin layer onto that ring finger and I'm not going to cure it. And then I'm going to take a black polish and I'm just going to start drawing little patterns on my nails. They're not going to be perfect circles, so you can like kind of just have a little bit of fun with this part, but I was kind of just trying to make them like random shapes and just not perfect circles. And then you're going to see during the video, they're going to slowly start to bloom. I already liked how this was turning out, honestly. Like, this pattern itself already looked so pretty, but anyways, basically just keep adding your dots, and then once you're happy with your first layer, you can go ahead and cure that. So I went in again with the blooming gel, and I'm going to add my second layer of black dots, and this time I was kind of just overlapping a little bit. This was my first time doing the tortoise design as well, so I didn't really know, to be honest, how much dots to apply and everything, but I think at the end when I saw how it looked, I thought it looked really pretty, so I was really happy with that. Okay, now I'm taking a liner brush and I'm drawing a French tip on the index finger, and I'm using that dark wine color again. And then I'm just going to fill it in, and then I'm going to cure that for 60 seconds, and then I'm going to do 2 coats for that. I then decide to use some studs on the nails there, just on the index finger and the thumb. I used rhinestone glue to apply that. And then I cured the hand again for 30 seconds for this part. And then finally, I'm topping it off with top coat. I'm using the Beetles top coat here. And I'm carefully applying that on all of the nails, making sure I don't get any on my skin. And that was the final look. I was so obsessed with the tortoise design. I took my cuticle oil here now, and I'm applying that on all of my fingers, and I'm gonna massage that into my cuticles. And this is the final look. I really liked how it turned out. It's so pretty. I'm so obsessed. Let me know what you guys think, or if you try it out. Thanks so much for watching. Bye for now.